Hello guys, welcome to the series of C programming. Here we will create programs and create projects. This is a very beginner tutorial for the beginners. So without time wasting, let's start. So first open your browser and type DFC++. Source first, here you will click, the link will be in the description too. And before proceeding from here, I wanted to inform you about some things. In this tutorial, we will install DFC++ and run code on it. Why are we installing DFC++ is because there are a lot of IDEs for DFC++ for C programming actually, but DFC++ is demand in everybody's demand, and IDEs such as Turbo C++ and etc. are like now outdated. There are also many new, but I prefer DFC++. So simply click on the download button. That will take you some time and will install it. I have already installed this, and also this will be in the link. The link will be in the description below, so you can check it out from there, or you can directly come here and type DFC++. So I have already downloaded. Let's install this now. So my file is here. It's here, you can see. Now I will install this. Now it will ask you to select a language, so you can select anyone if you understand any of these. I understand English, so I'll click on OK and agree and next. Now here's the thing, the space is required for is 346.8 MB, so I'll browse it here. I have actually 84.3 GBs left, so I'll browse it in the E and I'll install it here. I've browsed it. If you want, you can browse. If you don't want, just leave it as it is and click on install. Now this will take some time, so let it be installed, and then it will ask you for a theme and selecting fonts, so you can choose as per your according. This will take some time. I have installed it, so I'll click on finish. Now it's installed here. Automatically this will open here now. As you can see, select your language. I have already selected English, so I click on next. Now I'll choose on font. Choose according to your need or whatever you like. So I'll be back choosing the font. So I prefer this because this is good for me. I'll choose the theme, Obsidian. You choose like whatever you like. Oh, this looks like this. Matrix is like this, and Jesus Hacker is like this, but I'll choose Obsidian. And if you want to choose this, you can choose. I'll click on next, click on OK. Now this will install. Press Ctrl N. So we will have our very first program, which is Hello World. Blue. function 11, save it whatever name you want. Good. Hello world is printed. So congratulations. Now see you in the next video. Till then, take care.